To set screen reader status bar information in Samsung Galaxy S20, open Settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Settings. You can also open Settings screen from Notification panel, swipe down Notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find Accessibility, and then select Accessibility, tap Screen Reader, tap Settings, and then scroll down, tap Status bar information, and then to enable or disable information, that switch until blue, or to disable that switch until white. For example, and enable time, date, and power, battery power. Okay, let's try turn on voice assistant.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader. Button. Navigate up. Tap to activate. Tap and hold to long press.
And then tap 3 times with 2 fingers.
05:44, 14 September 2020, 95% battery, charging. Settings. Button. Navigate up. Showing items 1 to 11 of 23. Tap status bar information. Button. Navigate up. On.
And tap with 3 times with 2 fingers screen.
05:44, 14 September 2020, 95% battery, charging, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth off.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Settings. Button. Navigate up. Voice assistant off.
Have a nice day.